How to pull the incident report log. Welcome to this training guide on accessing incident or accident reports. Begin by opening the Reports module, then go to the Safety Reports tab and select the Incident Accident log. You can view incidents or accidents for a specific day, or choose a date range like a year or month. Pick the date range you prefer and press Apply. This will show you all relevant incidents or accidents for the date or range selected. Use the scroll bar to see more details, including a description and the incident resolution. To narrow your search by a particular childcare group, click the group drop-down, pick your group, and press Apply again. You'll now see a list specific to the selected group. To download the list as an Excel sheet, click the CSV icon. If you need to see any further details, such as how many children and staff were in the room at the time of the incident, you can find this information in the attendance reports. This can be especially useful during routine checks by a licensing officer, if requested. Thank you for your attention.